So hi guys, this is May and welcome back to my channel. So today I will be dyeing my hair and the product that I will be using are In-Shell's colored butter. So I will be using these two colored butter to dye my hair baby pinkish color. I will be actually trying pink hair for the first time, so I'm super excited. And I actually tried out some tests yesterday, like one strip, and it was pretty flashy pink than I thought. So I'm going to be mixing some hair treatment to lighten up the color so that it kind of goes closer to salmon pink and see the results. Color butters are different from normal coloring because it only works on light hair or really damaged hair, and these are treatments, so it makes your hair really silky and treats your hair. So it's really good if you bleach your hair many times. This color, the lighter your hair color is, this color will really show up. So yeah, I think it would show up pretty nicely on this hair color, but it's always nicer to test like a little strip before you do your entire hair because the results may differ. So further ado, let's get started. So first of all, I will be sharing what you need is first the hair color butter that you want, and I will be mixing these two colors as well as some hair treatments. There's also a white colored In-Shell's treatment, but I didn't want to spend so much money, so I decided to use normal treatment, which completely works, and some random box where you can mix the colors. A brush, well, it's preferable if you have the special dyeing brush, but I do not, so I'm just using this random brush that I got in a hotel, and some towels, and water, because you need to soak your hair a little bit before you use this because it's a hair treatment and it works better when your hair is wet. So yeah, I am ready to start. I will be taking the pink color and adding this much probably. Yeah, I don't think it was a good idea to use a brush because it's stuck. So I put this much right now, and I will put the same amount of the white color. Ta-da! It smells really good. Oh my god. You know what? I'm so bad at mixing. And then I am going to mix these two colors. The color is really bright, pretty bright than I thought. Like, it's still really pink. So I will add a bit more white. I suppose lighter the better. Oh, okay, look. It's getting lighter. Plus, I want to add some of this ash color because I want to make it kind of smoky looking. So I'm going to be adding a little bit of this because I think it's going to make it pretty dark. So I will take this much. Kind of became purpley actually. It's like this color right now. And we'll be adding, I think I might add the entire treatment. I can keep this because I don't have to use up everything today, so I can actually keep it for next time if I even make too much. Okay, so it looks like this right now. But it used to be like this bright, and now I think you can tell, but it's kind of smoky and a little purplish. So I don't know how it will turn out to be, but let's try with this color. So first of all, wear a bag so that the color doesn't get stained on your clothes. If not, you can do it in a bathroom. And then, as I said, wet your hair. There is no specific technique to color your hair, but just try to apply it as evenly as possible because if not, it will really show up. And if there's anyone who can help you, do it with that person because it's really hard to apply it on the back side. But use a brush, any other equipment to work the color in and wait for several minutes. Okay, so now I have finished applying the hair color treatment on my hair, so I'm going to be waiting for about 20 to 40 minutes and see how the color will turn out. So I am back from washing my hair and drying it, so the result turns out to be like ta-da! So it's quite nicely dyed, and actually I added more pink, so the final ratio of the mixture of the treatment and the color treatment and the ash color was like 30% treatment, 60% pink, and 10% gray. So this is the results of those mixtures, and I am pretty much satisfied. Actually, it's 10% darker on camera, so please kind of think that it's a little lighter in reality. And because it's a treatment, it really made my hair super straight and soft, so yeah, why not try it? Please comment down below if you like my new hairstyle, and yeah, I also did some little pink makeup, but yeah, it kind of reminded me of like a K-pop idol star. I'm not saying that I am a K-pop idol star or anything, but yeah, the hair color kind of remind me of those styles. But yeah, I'm gonna play around with this hairstyle a little bit, and maybe we do some hairstyle tutorials. So that's about it for this video. So don't forget to thumbs up if you liked it, and see you in the next video. Bye. Like this from close up. Yeah, I do have some parts that are still like not perfectly dyed because yeah, I'm not a pro at dyeing, so kind of missed some parts, but overall I did pretty well, and it's always better to do with two people because then you can ask your partner to do the back side, because it was really hard to do this side and around here, so yeah. Ta-da! So this is my final look.